What's up, y'all? It's me, Lamb Top 1400. I'm back with another video. I got a little bit more energy now than my last video, and in this video, this is gonna be a little simple. Basically, we doing, yes sir, top picks 2020 Kofi Kingston. I finally got me a Kofi Kingston after all these years. But yeah, can't wait to use this figure. But right now, usually I keep the packaging whenever I get a new figure. But since this is a basic, this is the first ever basic that I got in a long time, so I'm gonna try to not damage the packaging as much as I can. So let's get straight into this video. I gotta figure out how to. Okay. So, there's a little hole right there. So basically what I can do is, I can I'm gonna cut it open. Oh no. Nah, I got it. I'm gonna try not to cut it all the way. Alright, I think that should be good enough to get it out. If not, then come on, dude. It's gonna be a little bit harder than I thought. Just like that. No damage. Well, a little bit of damage, but not that much. So, but yeah. But yeah, like I said, okay, there we go. That was a little bit more easy. I'm gonna put the frame back in. See? Like nothing happens. This is basically what you find whenever you go to a store. Whenever you go into the store and you try to find some action figures, the figure be mostly gone, basically, and then just switched. It's kind of stupid, basically. But now I can hang this to the wall as my decoration. You know what I'm saying? Just like that right there. But, oh my gosh. This is such a cool figure. I am not gonna lie. I mostly collect elites, but they haven't made any Kofi Kingston elites in a while. Well, except for Elite 78. That's what they made. Yeah, Elite 78. But I can't afford the money for it, so yeah. But look at that. That is awesome. It's the up, down, the tire, for Xavier Woods' gaming channel. But other than that, this thing is really, really cool. The hair is like, you know. But yeah, this is my very, very first basic that I got in a while. But I gotta say, it's really, really cool to collect a basic again. Let's get this laid down right there. And it's like, so you gotta move it around, gotta let it breathe, you know what I'm saying? Like this. I'll show you. Like, flap the arms. Like, just move the arms a little bit. There we go. A little bit breather. Move the torso. Well, so not really, but you know. Move the knees. Careful not to break them. Gotta move the knees because that's the most important part about a figure. This one's good. There we go. And now the figure is breathable. Basically, like, that's the number one rule when you get a new figure. You always gotta let the figure breathe. You gotta move it around a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And then, yeah. But, yeah, that was basically it. But yeah. Yeah, I know I just wanted to post a little something since I barely post on my YouTube channel. Put that right there. Put this figure right here. But yeah, I just wanted to post something, a little something, like, I wanted to post something because I barely post something on my YouTube channel. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.